Мен Ахтаева Л.М. Ағылшын тілі пәнінің оқытушысымын. Бүгінгі ағылшын тілі сабағынан өткізген сабағымды тамашалаңыздар. Let's start with the date. What date is it today?
Today, 17 November, the Monday.
Okay, thank you very much. And what is the weather like today?
The weather is cold.
Okay, thank you very much. And okay, before starting the lesson, let's have a warming up. Let's practice our tongues. Okay? Just I'm going to give a heart to student, and the student who holds a heart must say a warm wish. Okay? I wish you good success.
Thank you. I wish you a good day. Thank you very much. I wish you good work. Thank you. I wish you good health. Thank you. I wish you a smile.
Thank you very much. I wish you a very good evening.
I wish you big luck. Thank you.
You good.
Thank you. I wish you good.
Thanks. I wish you smile. I wish you good.
I wish you good day. Thanks. I wish you good luck. Thank you. I wish you happy.
Thank you. I wish you a lot of money.
Okay, thank you very much. And I wish you a wealthy and healthy for everyone. Thank you very much. I want to introduce you with the criteria of assessment. The first, use the new vocabulary correctly. The second is completed listening tasks. The third, read the text fully and answer the questions. The last one was active in group work. Did you understand the second criteria?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. And before starting the new lesson, let's listen a song. Watch the video, okay?
Okay.
Just we are going to listen a music Englishman in the New York. And please listen carefully. After listening the music, you should answer the questions. Then you should find the meaning of these phrases, which is given in the blackboard. Okay, on the blackboard. Okay, did you understand me? Yes. And please try to answer the question. Okay, what is this song about? Please, Diana.
As I understand, this song is about an Englishman living in New York, but who acts, speaks, and behaves differently from people around him. But he stays true to himself, no matter what other people say about him.
Okay, thank you very much. Please, yours now. The second question: what do these phrases mean? Can you explain? The first is, be yourself no matter what they say. Who wants to answer this question? Hold on. Come back.
In these sentences means don't change yourself just because other people criticize you. For example, your friends follow one trend, but you prefer your another trend, and you don't change yourself for them.
Okay, thank you. And can you give the translation? Can you translate it into Kazakh?
Басқа өрбедесі де өзің.
Okay, thank you. Manners make the man. Who wants to answer this question? Nurbakır.
Human must be kind and helpful and most respectful.
Okay, can you give the translation?
Adamda adam etетін оның әдебі.
Okay, is it right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. And a candle brighter than the sun. Who wants to answer this, please?
A simple compliment you like, you did great job, can bring to joy to.
Okay, thank you very much. And then, what is the translation for?
Күннен де жарық көрінеді.
Okay, thank you very much. Takes more than combat gear to make a man. Kім еді? Батырхан.
True strength is called true strength, humanity, kindness, and courage.
Okay, Can you give the translation?
Адам болып тек әскери жабдық жеткіліксіз.
Okay, thank you very much. And please, you, Stan. Aisha?
Yes, I would like to visit New York because it has many famous places such as Thomas Square, Central Park, and Statue of Liberty. The city is a center of cool cultures and cuisines, so you can always discover something new and interesting.
Okay, thank you very much. Please, all of you, open your notebooks and write down the theme of this lesson. As you understood, the text is about traveling, yes? Okay, and then I want to ask you, what words came to your mind when you hear the word travel? Visa, taxi, trip, train, okay.
Accommodation.
Okay, these cities, okay? What city is it? The second?
Paris, China, Turkey, Thailand.
Okay. Have you ever been to any of these places? Who has been?
In Paris.
Oh, good.
No, I have been Australia and Turkestan.
Okay.
I have been to Turkey.
Turkey, okay.
I have been in China.
Okay. Yours?
I have been in Thailand.
Okay, thank you very much. And your dream, where would you like to go? Мен қай жерге баруды армандайсыңдар? Where would you like to go?
I like to Asna.
Okay.
I would like to go to Paris.
Okay.
I would like to go in Japan.
Okay, thank you very much. Before reading the text, first of all, let's work out with the glossary. Here given the new words of the text and the first of all, please just I'm going to read the new words and you should repeat me after me, okay? You should repeat after me in chorus, okay? Okay. The first, aquarium, harbor, guided tour, floor, old-fashioned. Here given the meaning of these words. A building with fish, underwater animals, and animals that live near the sea. Aquarium. Yes? Then harbor, a sheltered area of water next to the coast where boats can park. I love, yeah? I love. Check in. Check out. Take off. Get on. Get off. Pick up. Look around. Write down these new words in your notebooks. If you have finished, let's do the next exercise. Okay? Here given the exercise, and you should fulfill these with the new words. Okay?
Okay.
Please do it. I'll give you only 3 minutes.
We took a guide tour of the old city with a local guide.
Okay, old city. Yes?
Old city.
Okay, thank you. You start.
This restaurant looks so old, passionate with its vintage furniture.
Furniture. Okay, thank you very much. The next. Explanation. Here given the explanation of the cities, sightseeing of the city hall, yes, and you should find each city. Okay? Please do this task. The next task is we are going to read about the whole city, and here given the sightseeing of the whole city. Just I'm going to give you cards, and you should find, and in this card are given the definitions of each city, and you should find which city is it. Okay, did you have you finished?
Yes.
Okay, for next.
Yeah.
Okay, the first. Welcome.
The past, this boat guided ships in and out of Hull Harbor. Now it is a museum. When you enter, you get a map and a small listening device with the headphones. You walk around the boat and listen to the history through the headphones. It was a lot of fun and free.
Okay, and what city is it?
It's a Sporn lightship.
What?
Sporn lightship.
Okay, can you translate?
Бұрындары бұл бізде жалпы корабль болған. Көп уақыт өте келе ол музейге айналды және қазіргі таңда ол жаққа келген кезде сендерге кішкентай құлаққап береді. Ол құлаққаппен сен корабльдің бортында жүріп, өлеңін тыңдап, оның историясын тыңдай аласың.
Okay, thank you. Do you think that it's interesting place?
Yes.
Do you want to visit?
No.
No? Okay, thank you very much. And please, thank you. It's you. Okay, the second and write down. Okay, the third, please, the third team. Welcome. Okay, please.
This place with my classmates, it was so interesting. We learned a lot about how people lived in Hull in the past. We went inside old-fashioned shops. I really enjoyed seeing all the buses and trams and going inside some of them. I was very surprised that the museum is free.
Thank you very much. And the next. Are you tired?
Yes.
Let's play a game. Okay?
Okay.
You should find in this picture, you should find the same pictures. Okay? Coincide pictures. Okay?
Yes.
The next is speaking activity. And then we should divide into 4 groups. Okay? And then you should plan a trip. Okay? What would you do? The first, you should show the activities of this place, destination. The second is places to visit. And the third one, food to try. Okay? After finishing your tasks, each group presents their plans to the class. Okay? Did you understand me? Okay. Your time is up. And please, who wants to present first? Who wants to present first?
A big and famous cities like New York, Los Angeles, and Washington. Today we will try the taste foods and
We will visit the Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and democracy. We can go up to the observation. You can see the whole city from the famous Beijing Duck. Dim sum under shades, tea with local streets. Daytime walk in the summer place. Undertake a boat ride on the lake. Travel to Shanghai by fast train while all the van activity go up to the Shanghai Tower observation deck. Visit
Very much for your attention. You are so active today. And today, just we are going to conclude the tape material. Today we have spoken about traveling, yes, and the interesting places. And I am going to give you homework. Please, all of you, write down. Open your notebooks and write down the homework. Okay. Have you written?
Yes.
Okay. And the last is 3 steps. And you should write your answers and stick on the blackboard. Okay? Okay? The first is, what did you learn today? The second question, what was the most interesting part? And the third one is, what would you like to know more about? Okay? And please, you can write your answers and stick on the blackboard. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Сондай жерге келе беріңдер. The last one is assessment criteria. From the beginning of the lesson, I introduced you with the assessment criteria. Yes? Let's count your stars. Okay? The first team, how many stars have you got? Okay. The second team, how many stars have you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5? Okay, good. The third team, welcome.
7.
Oh, 7. Okay, good for you. The last one. 6. Okay. Dear students, you are so active today, and thank you very much for your participation. And you should improve your English language every day. And I wish you good luck. Thank you very much. Thank you for